Okay, if everybody involved, this is how I've wired. So, what have we got now? Yeah, this way. These are pretty self-explanatory. So, they don't come with actual information on, but I've paired them up because two of them lock the actual stepper motor out itself. So, grouped them together in coils, which I'm assuming it's coils, but they'd still turn a direction if they weren't coils. Yeah, so we've got, I'll run through it myself just again. To the 20 volt supply, so these two go up. So we've got positive on the red wire to this side, V plus, ground, so positive to positive, V minus negative to ground, just as on here, V plus, V negative. A jumper across from the 5 volt, that one traces all the way to the connector. I've checked with the multimeter pins, these two pins are bridged and both have 5 volt, so it went to pin 4, heat shrink, soldered, continuity there, it's a connection. So that one's connected. The next pin, the pull minus pull on the diagram. This one connects to pin 1 on the small side of the connector. So there. So the red wire all the way up, traces down, my slightly longer heat shrink to identify them. It goes down, heat shrinked and connected. No bridge connections, tightly heat shrinked. And finally, the black, sorry, the direction pin. Myself. Yeah. Yeah, the direction pin. Sorry, I'm just trying to remember what I've done. Is the red cable which comes in, is it on the comes to pin bottom left, pin 2 on the smaller side. The shorter heat shrinks the stock wiring, and the longer ones my wiring. Like I said, pin 4 and 5. Pin 4 for me. think it's 15 and 16 bottom ones, but they're definitely connected to bottom ones, and they're definitely connected as per diagram. Now, so if we power up, power off, plug back in would help. Yeah. So power on. Green go. Green go. Stepper motor. Resistance. Chuck in here. Put the light burn open. Go to the rotary setup. Well, this is where it screws me over now, because you'd think it would be about working. We've got connection, we're connected. I'll enable rotary. Now this is where I get no output. So if I go to test, I've tried it on either axis. I've changed rotary settings. My dip switches indicate I'm on 1600 steps per rotation. Rotary is enabled. If I click OK there, it seems to be green. Chuck type rotary. I know it makes little difference, it's just how it's cammed. I'll go to test. Framing. And stuck. Nothing. No rotation, no humming, no anything. Now I can't cancel out of this, which is another weird thing. If I cancel, I'll stop the job. Still stuck on framing. Only way to break this state, close out, open light burn again, back to ready. Now, if I frame, rotary enabled, 50mm, 600 steps, we're actually framing. No rotary framing. Now the only other thing I could think of, if it was settings wise, which I'm not sure if it is, under device settings, maybe something, because the rotary wasn't set up in EasyCAD and Lightburn's pulled the settings from EasyCAD into here, but things seem okay. That's it.